The packing is quite squishy. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be sharing my experience on Exfurbish website. So one day it happened that I needed to expand the storage of my Dell Precision 5510 laptop, and I needed a hard drive connector. From motherboard to the hard drive, a connector would be there. I wanted to purchase that. Actually I was searching for it from past 6 to 8 months, but I wasn't getting in any local shop. I went even to SP Road for the same, and I wasn't getting any leads for the same thing. I even went to Dell authorized shops. They told the stock is not available. Such stories I heard. So it was very crucial time that I needed to expand the storage of my laptop, internal storage. So what I did, I wanted a connector, as I told you in the beginning of the video. I was searching on Google, like we all do. I found a link of Amazon and Flipkart. Both the website had out of stock on their website. Both the products on their website was out of stock. Hence, I had to order from other unknown websites. These were the known websites I used to shop always, like Flipkart, Amazon. I never tried eBay. There was a product on eBay, so I didn't mind even looking at it. There was other websites like Laptop Baba, PC Baba, something like that. I didn't want to really order something from there. So I did few research on this website exfurbish.com. Then I found few genuine reviews. So not on their website, some other articles where I get to see a person commenting, not a paid review or something like that. So this made me believe that, oh okay, this website is genuine, let me order from here. So I ordered. After 3 to 5 working business days, I received this order. Immediately I thought of making video, because earlier, as you can see in my previous video over here, that I was scammed from Amazon. I got scammed about 4 TB hard drive, which was around 8k, 8,000 rupees. So I didn't want to get scammed from this unknown website. Hence I had made a video. I wanted to make a video. So I'll be sharing this video of the unboxing, and also where I connect this connector and show the working or not working, or the defects or advantages or whatever. So please watch the video till the end to know how was the product, then how did it work, or is it really a genuine website. And yeah, that's it guys. So watch the video till the end. The packing is quite squishy. So the part I was talking about is just a data connector part, I mean hard drive connecting part, which is an adapter for my Dell Precision laptop to mount on to extra HDD. So that is what I have ordered. Oh, wow, let's see here guys. It's a tiny part. So this is the I think you can see this. So thanks Exfurbish for giving this. It is quite compatible, I guess, to my laptop. I'll just connect to my laptop and be back with the review soon, okay? So this is my Dell Precision laptop for which I have ordered this part. So this is an HDD 2.5 HDD connector for my laptop. Now let me connect it and check if it's working. My PC has detected another hard drive HDD which I had just connected now. So finally, thanks Exfurbish for giving this thing, and it's working quite better. Now I can upgrade my storage as much as ever I want using the hard drive. I recommend you to buy from this website. I'll give the link down below. So please tell me your experience, if you had any good or bad experience from buying using the same website. Okay guys, see ya, bye. Thank you so much guys.